Okay, testing. We're getting it. We're going. Let's get warmed up in here. Hey, how's it going? Yeah. Hey, everyone out there on YouTube. Let's get this party started, man. Let's go. My name is Jay. This is Inking with Jay, and this is my new YouTube channel that I'm starting to get all those people out there that want to get into inking and you want to try your hand at like amateur comic book inking. This is the channel for you. You know, I hope you tune in, and I'm gonna go through a different variety of tools that I use and different techniques that I use when I ink pages, comic pages, and like I said, I use different kind of like multi-liner tech pens and brushes, nibs, different dip pens, and like felt tip pens, and you know, I'll go through a variety of those and I'll talk about what's good to use, what's out there, what's new, what I recommend, or what I can recommend for you that's a little cheaper on price. But like I said, I'm gonna go through a lot of different scenarios when it comes to inking. I have been doing this now for, I would say, 5 to 6 years inking, just amateurly. I'm not a professional inker. I haven't inked anything professionally, but there are a lot of things that I've learned along the way, like self-teaching myself. There's a lot of books out there that you can read that'll help you. There's, I would say, like 4 or 5 in particular that I really use a lot, and they really help me on my way as I've been inking so far. And like I said, I'll talk about that. I have videos of the different pens, and I'll show you different reviews of the different pens that I use. And hopefully this will help like any beginners out there that want to get into inking, and you know what to do, what not to do. And like I said, if you make a mistake, you know, it's okay. It's no big deal. You know, that's what they make whiteout for and erasers, right? To fix those mistakes. But the thing is just to have fun with it, you know. Just get out there and just start inking some stuff up. Just start drawing stuff and just have fun with it. That's what my channel is promoting. This channel is not promoting anything that's, you know, how can I say this? Like what you need to do to actually get a job in inking. I mean, there's a lot of different things that's out there that you can try and you can accomplish. I'm not saying that you can't get a job in inking, because you can. It's just that those guys out there are really, really good, and you have to practice a lot. This channel is just showing you the basic tools, what to look for, what to buy, the different self-help books that I've used, and that's what this channel focuses on. Inking with Jay is just something that I want to start to help people that they're just barely beginners, or that don't even know exactly what inking means, like comic inking or inking drawings or whatever. Like that's what this channel is about, you know. That's what the main focus is, just to help. It's like a self-help, like teaching video for all those people out there that even if they're if you guys want their suggestions, if you want to see me draw something, or if you want to see me ink something that I have drawn, or a particular artist that's out there that you like, and you're like, oh wow, I like this artist, can you ink this guy to show me like how to do it? Like, I will try my best to show you from what I've learned over the years. And like I said, this channel is just for that. Just not promoting myself. I'm not trying to put myself out there. I'm not trying to do that. I'm just trying to show people what it is to ink, you know, a drawing, or how to ink, or what are the beginning steps of what do I need to do to start to ink something, you know. And that's what this channel is for. That's what inking with Jay is what it's about. So like I said, hang in there, stick with me, and tune in, because I'll try to upload a video when I can, when I'm not busy. But like I said, tune in and stick around. All right, come join me on this adventure. It's gonna be great. I think you're gonna like it. Come on. Whew. All right. Yeah. Okay. I'm exhausted. Literally exhausted. Man, this takes a lot. I swear it does. Whew. I'm done.